Hello YouTubers, welcome back to GQ Auto Diagnosis and Repair channel, where my job is to save you money. This evening I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on the proximity key of a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport 3.6 automatic. Alright, and before I continue, if you like our videos, please take a second, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment. If you like what you see, if there's anything that I can do different, please leave it in the comment down below. I'm always interested in what you guys have to say so that I can improve my videos and potentially be able to help others to save money on the repair, but also learn how to do them themselves. Anyhow, thank you for being here. And let's get into the video. Okay, so this vehicle, it doesn't have a power door locks, doesn't have a power windows. So that's why this, I believe this key, it doesn't have any button to lock or unlock. The only thing it is, the vehicle has a push start button, and that's why I need a proximity key to know that you have it so the vehicle can start. This key is just to unlock and lock the doors if you need to, but that is about it. So anyhow, so the reason I know that this vehicle need to replace the key is because on the cluster, on the instrument cluster on the center, it's a message to display, and it says the remote, replace remote battery. So that's what we're going to do tonight. So here, if you can read the word Jeep in this corner, you're going to look at it, and you can see here this group is not as bigger than the only one on the remote. So you're gonna just put your screwdriver, small screwdriver will do it, pop it. You can go around and continue doing this. Be gentle, and it comes off. Okay, so we're gonna put this over here. Now this one right here, that is the battery number. Let's see if you can see it. CR2450. Okay, but the curious part right here, I don't know if you can see it on the light. You have an arrow pointing to this little group here, or indentation, with like what it looks like a screwdriver. All right, so this thing, it tell you we gotta go here because it looks like this is spring loaded, kind of like there you go. Yeah. So right here on the end is this piece of metal. You keep pressure when you put the battery on. It's gonna keep it locked underneath this retainers here. So anyhow, and right here says the plus sign up, face up. Like here you have a plus sign there, which make this other side the negative side. And yes, we have here the battery number, the one we're going to be using. Okay, so let's put this over there. Okay, so I'm going to put this one, so got to slide it here and snap in place. And we're gonna start on this corner right there, and we're just going to press it all together, and that's it. That's how you replace this battery, and will eliminate that message on the cluster, replace remote battery. Anyhow, this is a short video. I hope you like it. Please, if you learn anything from this video, please give it a thumb up, like the video, subscribe to the channel, forward the video to somebody else that might need to learn how to do this, or maybe just to check out our channel. Maybe they can find a video that might be helpful for them to fix their vehicle. Again, do your best, forget the rest. God bless, and I will see you in the next video. Later.